I got another one, guys. It is Nadine West. I absolutely love getting these little online shopping mystery bags. So Nadine West is $10. Well, it's roughly $10. I think it's $9.78. And then they send all these fun little outfits. And then whatever you don't want, you send back, and then the $9.78 goes towards whatever you do get. So, but no obligation to buy. Comes in little bundles like that. And then there's a little price thingy, so you can compare what the value is, what you would actually end up paying for it versus what it is. See. They kind of don't actually wrap them in the saran wrap. They kind of just put the saran wrap on the top. I've seen it before where they actually like bundle together, so when you pull it out, it's all together. Oh, first item is a mask. I guess that's appropriate for this day and age. I'm not gonna try that one on. I have a ton of masks. My grandmother actually makes the masks, so I have a ton of masks. Let's see. I think these are pants or a romper. I think that's what this is called. It's a really pretty color. Little ties. Curious to see what that looks like. Really cute white shirt. Very summer, springish kind of feel to it. Let's see. Oh, this actually came wrapped. See, this is the goal, is what they do, is they wrap the little items so you feel like it's fresh. It is fresh. All this is new. Woo! I got a gift card. That's a nice little surprise. Let's see. More pants, except these are very frilly. That'll be interesting. I don't know how any of these are gonna fit or how I'm gonna wear them. Like, it'll be interesting. There's more. Let's see, this one's been tousled. This one at least was sealed at one point. I think through shipping it got roughed up. A very thin white tee with a little pocket. Fabric's really soft. Oh yeah, this is all springy. Little tank top, orange tank top. That's really cute. Very, I don't know if it's meant to be wrinkly like this or if just in the packaging it got wrinkly. I have that spray though from FabFitFun, and it like takes out the wrinkles for you with a little mist. I'll have to show you, it's really fun. Ooh, these are nice little sweatpants. Really stretchy. And then the final item. It looks like a skirt, but it's shorts. Ooh, and it's super stretchy. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to try these on. Okay, so I did a little bit of research. Apparently, I did not get a gift card. They are putting these now into the boxes, and it's $20 off for a new member. So I would pay $5 to keep it and then give it to a person who doesn't have Nadine West. And then upon signing up, they would get a $20 credit. So that was really tricky and sad because I thought I had a $20 gift card given to me because I thought I was special, but I'm not special. And then the mask, I looked up, it's $14.99 and it is sealed. So I'm not even going to test its quality or anything because of sanitary reasons. So I'm gonna leave that out. And then this is the first outfit. So this is the white shirt. And Nadine West is the culprit for having the tags and the words on here don't line up. So on here it's called a bottom up ivory shirt. On the tag it's called Heart Hills, and this shirt is $23.99. And for some reason the pocket is kind of out of shape. I don't know, it looks like it's gonna just be hanging the whole time. So that's the shirt. Okay, so these pants are amazing, super comfy. They have the little pockets, little go all the way down, super stretchy. These on the tag are called Ambiance, and on the little note thingy it says Yana. So the tags don't match up at all, and they're asking $30.99 for these pants. So I don't know, I'm not sure. So this is the one piece or romper. They call it a dress. It's not a dress. I like the top. I like the color, although they call it a peach. I'm not sure if that's exactly what I would call it. I think it's a little different than peach. But I don't own any one pieces, so I might be biased. It has little pockets, which are cute. I don't really know what to do with this. Doesn't really make sense. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of it. See that's what it looks like. So they call it Venice on the tag, or on the little form. But on the tag it's called C mode. See, it's called C mode. So those don't match. I thought it was thread up. I got it completely mixed up. Apparently it's Nadine West that doesn't coordinate the tags at all. Apparently doesn't even know what it is, because these are not a dress at all. You can see it's not a dress. So it's hard to take them seriously if they don't have the proper labeling and call it what it is. It's $38.99. So I don't know. I really like the top. Like I said, if this was just a top, I would love it. I think it's really cute. But then the whole romper part of it, I might just be biased though, because I don't really care for rompers. So on to the next. All right, so the next outfit, this is the Mime or Kitty, depending on which place you look, top, tank top. And it's really cute. Came super wrinkly. So I was gonna try this and I'll show you. This is my crease release formula. I got it from FabFitFun, the fall collection. And you just spray it on. And it literally releases the creases. In some fabrics it does better than others. But see, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. And then this kind of, I guess it's a little fringe look. It's cute. I like the color. It's very springy. And then the skirt. Okay, so these are the bottoms. The skirt, which is actually shorts. They're very stretchy, green, super cute, fits me awesome, super comfortable. Like I could lounge in these, I could go out in these. It actually goes really good with the shirt. So the Kitty Mine shirt is $14.99. And then the skirt is $21.99. So I think I really like this outfit. It's perfect for like just going out in the summer, the spring. Well, Florida, you can go anytime. Wearing something like this, you put a little jacket on, you could go out in the winter. Okay, so this is the final outfit. This is the Cotty shirt or Mine shirt, depending. The tag says Mine. The little sheet says Cotty. And it is $19.49 for this shirt, which is a little, I mean, it makes me think of Flower Child, kind of 70s look with the band here. It's comfy, very springtime feel to it. So I see there is definitely a trend with Nadine. I see that they come in with the seasons, so they do help with that kind of thing. But the lack of coordination with the tags drives me nuts. These are the pants that come with it. They kind of come in a set. They're very, very frumpy. And the material is super thin. I don't know if I can show you this. Super thin material. I'd be afraid of ripping it. But at least they are cheap, because the shirt is $19.49 and the pants are $14.95. So they are cheap. They have little pockets, but yeah, I'd be afraid of ripping them. And that's my Nadine West bag for January. Thank you so much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to see more of my reveals. All right, have a great day, guys.